Welcome back to World History. I'm Mr. McCall. Today, the goal for our lesson is I want you to be able to identify the Gupta Empire on a map, and I want you to locate its key cities. So, we're gonna have to leave. We can't stay here. We gotta go check this out. So, hold on tight. Here we go. Going way up into the sky, away from New York. Very high up in the sky, and if you'll notice, we're not oriented to the north. So let's change that. So here we have the United States. We have Earth. We're going to move over here. There's South America. We have Africa. We have Europe. We're going to keep going. And we have India. Actually, we have all of Asia here. And then we have the subcontinent of India right here. So let's take a look at India. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to give you a quick outline of the country of India. Alright, so India is, the modern day country of India is right here. Goes around this. This is Bangladesh. Bangladesh at one time was part of India, but it's broken off now. By Bhutan, around Nepal, and we're back at the northern part of India. Alright, so this is the modern country of India. But if you notice, that's not what we're doing for the goal. The goal was to identify the Gupta Empire. So let's take a look at where the Gupta Empire would be, and let's use a green highlighter for that. Now the Gupta Empire actually spread from the Indus River all across northern India. Not on the Western Ghats, and not at the Deccan Plateau. Deccan Plateau was too dry, and the Western Ghats probably too tall. Alright, so let's shade in right here. This is actually modern day Pakistan, but that was included. We have all over here. Went all the way to Bangladesh. And it went down the Eastern Ghats most of the way, but not entirely. And then they filled in all this. So in some ways they were bigger than the modern country of India. In some ways they were not. But by any means, this was a very large empire in what is today India. Alright, so that is the Gupta Empire on a map. Oh, you know what? I forgot. We need to go back. Let's go back to the classroom so we can finish this lesson. Keep that in mind. That's the outline of India. And let's go all the way in. Alright, we're back. And now let's go back to our lesson. So we have the Gupta Empire. Now we need to locate its key cities. So here we have a map. And this map shows us the achievements of the Gupta Empire from 320 to 550 current era. We've got the Gupta Empire and the associated territories. Remember, they had a lot of marrying between other kingdoms, so they spread their power that way also. We have some caves that had some very nice artwork. We had some literature centers. We had mathematics centers. Metalwork has been discovered. Roads, especially between these two cities. We had sculpture centers seen on the map, and we had a university. Nalanda by far was the bigger of the universities, but there was also one over here in Valapi. All right, so these are some of the major cities in the Gupta Empire. Now, when we look at these, I want you to think about what they all have in common. You can pause me while you think about it. All right, so you've had some time to think about it. Exactly, they are all on rivers. If you look at this, Bashkali on a river, the Indus Valley. We have all these cities on or near rivers and river valleys. All these close to rivers or on river valleys. The only exceptions are the ones that are on the coast. They're close to water. All right, so water was very important. It was a very important resource. We've already talked about that. So what I wanted to do to finish off the lesson, we've looked at the Gupta Empire, we looked at the major cities of the Gupta Empire, and what some of their special achievements were. Now what I want to do is I want to compare that map that we were just looking at with a map that has some modern cities on it. So today we look at Delhi as one of the major cities, and we have the Gupta Empire building trade routes. So Delhi is at the center of a trade route. We've got Dhaka, we've got Mumbai, and we've got Ahmedabad, which is very close to Valapi, the Gupta University. So we have a lot of important cities that are coming up in the Gupta Empire, also in the modern Indian country. All right, well, that is the lesson today on identifying the Gupta Empire on a map and locating its key cities. Hope it's been edifying. This is World History with Mr. McCall. Take care.